Belle, you silly girl. You like to do animal sounds? Let's hear a rooster say cock-a-doodle-doo. A kitty cat. A dog. Howl. Good girl. All right, Corbell, we're going to do some coughing. Silly girl. And how about some singing? Sing. Wow.
Are you sad?
I'm not sad. Are you sad? All right, we're gonna sing a song. You want to sing a song? Here we go. Very nice. Very nice.
I love you.
Come on, shake your body, baby, do the conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do the conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
The city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me, then leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars. It's been a couple months since I felt like I'm home.
Hello.
We're getting closer to knowing where I belong. The city's gonna break my heart. She's always gonna break your heart. Oh.
Ah. You say hello.
Can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.